Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on the Hedera or Hbar. Probably a daily update for a while because Hbar right now is very strong, and it's also pulling a lot of volume. As you can see right now, volume last hour is $60 million, but the volume across the board in especially spot is very high. So that makes it interesting, and I know a lot of you are interested in it as well, and I've covered this very often in general for the last months. So let's get right into it. But as you can see, volume right now, spot is $2.7 billion. That's a 2x increase from the volume yesterday, and the volume yesterday was already very high. But let's get to the analysis. First of all, brief recap of yesterday. What we said yesterday is that we had the bullish breakout. So even though I thought the price was a little bit over leveraged, what I told you in a video, and I'm happy I told you that, is that I think it's most likely the breakout will hold and that we might see some volatility, which we did, but then we would get up to the previous highs right here at 39, 38, 40 cents. So that is what we did, and that's where we are right now. So right now the big question is well, we reached that level, and you can see beautiful breakout here above this range we formed between 33 cents and 26 cents. If you take a look at this structure on the daily time frame, this looks beautiful. All right, as you can see, we had a blow off top right here. After that, consolidated near the highs, and I've always told you that in the last month as well. Like technically, Hbar is one of it's one of the coins that looks the best. And then after just bullish momentum in the markets, but also some bullish momentum regarding potential ETFs, which obviously Hedera is a candidate for, but also the Trump administration was enough to break out. But now the big question is well, can we actually hold that breakout, and can we rally up higher? Because that is what I think most of you want to know. And for that, the first thing that I kind of want to look at is the following, and that is that we are at a massive bearish divergence right here. You can see the price is making higher highs compared to the previous high we made at the beginning of December over a month ago. But what you can see is that the open interest is actually lower, which I would actually argue that's a bit of a bullish divergence, but the RSI is actually making lower highs right here. So a bit of a bearish divergence, and I think that in combination with the Trump administration coming in Monday, like there is a risk that this is just a double top. And even though I don't think that's most likely, so don't get too scared yet. I don't think that's most likely, but I do think it's a possibility. I think you need to know about it. What I think is most likely right now is actually that we will rally up higher. All right, so the next price target is very clear. That's this level right here at like 48 and 50 cents. I think it's most likely that the price is going to move into that level. However, short term, I do think we need to be a little bit more realistic and say, well, short term, what we see is that there is a lot of leverage into the price right now. All right, so that means that there's a lot of liquidity to the downside here. We are starting to edge out with the open interest. So that means that we're actually losing some momentum here, both in the open interest, but also in the volume. And Bitcoin is nearing the top of the range here. So I would say it's more likely on the short term that we'll actually get some sort of a pullback into 35, 34 cents. But like I said, I think the breakout is real. I think we'll respect that breakout. I think we'll respect the support. And then from there, potentially after some consolidation, I think we'll be able to break above 40 cents and head up for that next price target. So ultimately, I am bullish on Hbar. I will keep you updated on this though. All right, because this is this move is very dependent on the reaction the market has to the Trump administration. All right, and that reaction is just very hard to predict. So I'll keep you updated on this. For now, I think this is most likely. We had a significant resistance as well, by the way. So that's another reason why it's quite likely we'll have some sort of a pullback at least. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.